Take a look at this charming, well-cared-for home. Gleaming hardwood floors, arched doorways, glass doorknobs, wide crown molding, original built-in cabinets throughout the house for plenty of storage space. The entry is welcoming with a coat closet. Separate main floor laundry with built-in corner cabinet. Closed-in side porch perfect for your morning coffee and a good book. The back porch has a lot of room and is closed in. If you love all the extra features an older home brings, you can't miss this one.